Hello, it is Michelle Strain, and today we're going to take a look at the question, is there a significant relationship between the free and reduced lunch percentage and the percentage of students scoring at the exceeding level in math? So our null hypothesis is that there's no significant relationship. And what we're going to do first is open our data set, which we've done right here. And then we're going to go in and do our assumptions and do some checking on if our assumptions are correct. So what we've done first is we've gone ahead to SPSS and gone through analyze and correlate a bivariate. So analyze, correlate bivariate. And then we're going to move the variables in this box right over here. Make sure Pearson and two-tailed is checked. Click OK. And then we're going to get this information right here. So we know that with that, our correlation of negative 0.696 is actually a strong significance with P equaling less than 0.001, indicating a statistically negative relationship. So that is where we are. You can tell right down here, this is statistically a negative and strong relationship. Now let's look at our assumptions and our little tests to determine if these values are good. If we have all of our pre-test checklists, we're going to look for normality, linearity, and homoscedasticity on these. And so to get our histogram, we're going to go up to analyze, descriptive statistics, then we're going to go to frequencies, and then we're going to, again, move the variables to the box. So we'll move right here, free and reduced lunch, and we'll do math exceed. And then we will go to click OK. And what it's giving us here is so then we're going to go over here to charts. And we're going to make sure histogram is checked, and as well as the show normal curve on histogram, and click continue and click OK. So it does give us that we have 235 valid entries with here's the data set that we're looking at. And then we're going to take a look at the actual histograms for frequency for free and reduced lunch and frequency for math exceed. And those both look to be really nice bell curve rounded charts. And so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to graphs, chart builder. We're going to click OK. And then we're going to select our linear chart right here and drag it up. And then we're going to move, we took this and we moved free and reduced lunch over to the y-axis and math exceed to the x-axis. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to click OK. And it's going to give us a negative scatter plot, which we could also imagine that it would, since our number, our R was negative. So we can see here that it is both on the linearity and the homoscedasticity that we both have the correct information. So we can look at that. So the results show a Pearson correlation of R equals negative 0.696 with a strong significance of P equals less than 0.001 and indicates a statistically negative relationship. Is it meaningful? Yes, it is meaningful. The correlation strength is strong. Practically, this means that as poverty increases in a district, math scores tend to decrease substantially. So this suggests that funding is necessary for these districts. So we're going to go ahead and reject the null hypothesis that says there's no significant relationship, because we know through our research and our charts and our numbers that it is.